Greetings everyone. Here is how you can fix if the contact form elements are not showing in the email. So we have added a contact form to our WordPress website, and this is the basic form. Now we want to add more fields. So go to the dashboard and navigate to contact form 7, which is the form we have used. Let me add a telephone number and its labels. Also, let me add another field for date and its label. So this is done. Save it. Now, if I refresh the contact form, you can see the fields have been added. Let me quickly test the form and submit it. The message has been sent. Let's check our inbox. Here is the email, but you can see the new fields are not showing up, neither the telephone nor the date. To fix this, go back to the contact form. After adding all the fields, adjust the mail settings. Now add the fields we added to the form, like telephone. Use the same tag. This is the telephone tag. Copy it and paste it here. Likewise, let's also add date. Write date and add the tag. Basically, we need to add the title for the field and use the relevant tag. Now save it. So this is done. Let me again refresh the contact form and send a new test message. Submit the form. Let me check the email. And now you can see all the fields are here, telephone is here, and so is the date. Thank you very much.